Okay, welcome back. Today we are going to discuss compound interest. This is exercise 8A of your textbook. Here principal is 10,000, rate 12%, time is 2 years. In my last class I have told you in compound interest whatever time is given you have to do. If it is 2 years, you have to do 2 times. If it is 3 years, you have to do 3 times. Okay. In compound interest, time is always 1 year. So you first find out interest for the first year. Interest for the first year equals to PTR by 100 equals to principal is 10,000 into time is 1, rate is 12 divided by 100. This and this cancel. So answer is 12 ones are 12, 2 more 0. That means 1,200 is interest for the first year. After that you find out amount. Amount for the first year equals to 10,000. Ones, tens, 100,000, 10,000 plus 1,200 is 10,000 plus 1,200. 1,1,200. Now 1,120 is amount for the first year, which is principal for the second year. Then you find out interest for the second year. Second year, again formula is same, PTR by 100, but this time principal will be 1,1,200 into 1 into 12 divided by 100. This and this cancel. Now multiply 12 and 112. 12 into 112. 2 2s are 4. 2 1s are 2. 2 1s are 2. 2 1s are 2. 1 1. That means 4 4 3 1. 1,344 is interest for the second year. After that you find amount. Amount for second year equals to 1,1,200 plus 1,344. 1,344. 1,2544 is amount for the second year. Now you find out compound interest. Now compound interest means whatever interest you are getting throughout the year. So what was the interest for the first year? 1,200. Therefore compound interest equals to 1,200 plus 1,344. 4,452. So 2,544 is your compound interest. So in this way you have to do. This is exercise 8A. Now let's do one more question. Question number 3. Question number 3 and question number 1 is same question. Okay, so we'll do next number 1 part 2. Principal is 5,000, rate 10% and time 2 years. Okay, so in this question I'll teach you the difference between simple interest and compound interest. Okay, and the question is the difference between simple interest and compound interest. So first we'll find simple interest. Simple interest means PTR by 100. What is the principal? Principal is 5,000, rate is 10 and time is 2 divided by 100. This and this cancel, this and this cancel. So 50 into 2 is 100, 100 into 10 means 1,000. So 1,000 is your simple interest. Okay. Now we'll do compound interest. Interest for the first year you can write in this way also, I1. It's understood which is interest for the first year. PTR by 100. What is your principal? Principal is 5,000. 1 into 10 divided by 100. This and this cancel. 50 into 10 is 500. So, interest for the first year is 500. Then you find out amount for the first year, which is principal plus SI is equal to 5500. Now, this 5500 is amount for the first year, which is principal for the second year. Then you find out interest for the second year, PTR by 100. So, what is principal? Principal is 5500 into time is again 1, because total time out here is 2 years, into 10 divided by 100. This and this cancel. So, 550 is interest for the second year. Now, amount for second year will be 5500 plus 550. 6050 is amount for the second year. Now, compound interest. Compound interest is, what is the interest for the first year? 500. 500. What is the interest for the second year? 550. 550. If you add it, you will get 1050. Now, 1050, that means 1050 is your compound interest. And question is the difference between simple interest and compound interest. The difference means you have to subtract. Here, which values is more? Simple interest is 1000 and compound interest is 1050. Obviously, compound interest is more. Therefore, difference will be compound interest minus simple interest is 50. Always remember, compound interest is more than simple interest. Now, in next exercise, we will do compound interest, but in next exercise, we will use formula. This is without using formula. Now, we will do by using formula. Okay. Exercise 8B. Exercise 8B. Exercise 8B. There are two formula for compound interest. Number one is when interest is yearly. When interest is yearly. When interest is yearly, your formula is A equals to P 1 plus R by 100 to the power n, where A means amount, P means principal, R means rate, n means time. Okay. When interest is half yearly, when interest is half yearly, A equals to P 1 plus R by 200 to the power 2n. Okay. Now, remember, when interest is yearly, it will be given in the book, whether it's yearly or half yearly. When interest is yearly, formula is A equals to P 1 plus R by 100 to the power n. When interest is half yearly, A equals to P 1 plus R by 200 to the power 2n. In both the case, compound interest will be amount minus principal. Okay. So, exercise 8B, we will do second question. Second question. Exercise 8B, second question. Okay. Here you have to use formula. Principal is 1000. Principal is 1000. Rate is 10%. Time is 3 years. N or T, 3 years. And it is yearly. Okay. Yearly means A equals to P 1 plus R by 100 to the power n. Now, just put the value 1000. 1 plus 10 divided by 100 to the power 3. Now, these two you can cancel. Okay. After that, 1000. Now, 10 ones are 10. 10 ones are 10 plus 1 is 11 by 10 to the power 3. Now, 1000 into, now 11 cube means 11 into 11 into 11. 11 into 11 you multiply, you will get 1 to 1. 121 into, again 11 is 1331 divided by 10 into 10 into 10 means 1000. These two will get cancelled. So, answer is 1331. After that, we have to find out compound interest. Therefore, compound interest equals to amount minus principal. What is amount? amount is 1331 minus, what is the principal? Principal is 1000. That means 331 rupees 331 is your compound interest. So if question says find amount when principal is 1000, rate is 10% and is 3 years. If the interest is yearly, you have to apply this formula and you have to do in this way. Did you understand? Now today's last question will do when compound interest is half yearly. When compound interest is half yearly, principal is 8000, rate 10%, it is written half yearly, okay, and n equals to 1 whole 1 by 2 years means 2 ones are 2 plus 1 means 3 by 2 years. Now this time you have to know the formula for half yearly. What is the formula? A equals to P 1 plus R by 200 to the power 2, and you simply put the value. What is principal? Principal is 8000. 1 plus what is rate? 10 by 200 into 2 into time is 3 by 2. These two will get cancelled. This and this will get cancelled. Now 8000 into 21 are 20 plus 1 is 21 divided by 20 to the power 3. 8000. Now 21 cube. 21 into 21 you multiply, you will get 441. Again 441 into 21 you multiply, you will get 9261 divided by 20 into 20 into 20. 20 into 20 is 400. 400 into 20 is 8000. So these two will get cancel. Answer is 9261. This is amount when it is half yearly. Therefore, compound interest. Compound interest equals to amount minus principal. What is amount? Amount is 9261 minus 8000 is 1261 is your compound interest. This much for today. Thank you very much. Stay home, stay safe. Thank you.